Welcome to the Dumbarton Bridge over the River Leven. This bridge is a vital crossing point in Dumbarton, West Dunbartonshire, Scotland. John Brown, a local architect and builder, constructed the original Dumbarton Bridge in Scotland in 1765. The River Leven flows from Loch Lomond down to the River Clyde, and for centuries, crossings here have connected communities on both banks. The very first bridge at this spot was built in the 18th century, offering locals a safer and more reliable way to cross the often fast-flowing river. Over the years, several structures have stood here, each replaced to meet the growing needs of traffic and trade. This bridge not only carries vehicles but also provides safe passage for pedestrians, making it a key link between Dumbarton town centre and the areas across the river. Its position offers lovely views of the River Leven, with Dumbarton Castle and its volcanic rock outcrop visible nearby, adding to the area's historic character. Dumbarton, from a historic settlement to a busy town, always tied closely to its waterways.